Hello dear students, in this lesson I'm gonna talking about pyramid and cone. In the first part of this lesson I will teach you how to find the volume for pyramid and cone. This figure is a right cone. In right cone you have altitude. Altitude is height of the right cone, and then we have a slant height. Slant height is for the triangle, for the height of the triangle. And then this is a regular pyramid. In regular pyramid you have altitude. Altitude is the height of the pyramid, and then you have a slant height. This slant height for the height of the triangle. And then you have to follow this rules for finding the lateral area and surface area for regular pyramid and right cone. Lateral area for regular pyramid, lateral area short form is L, equal to 1 out of 2 times P. P is the perimeter, and then multiply by L. L is slant height, apotheme for the triangle. And then surface area, you have to follow this rule. S is short form for surface area, 1 out of 2 multiply by P. P is perimeter, multiply by slant height plus B. B is the base of the area. After that, the lateral area for right cone is L, equal to pi multiplied by R. R is radius, or the base of the radius, and then multiply by L. L is slant height, apotheme. And then for surface area for the right cone you have to follow this rule. The surface area is equal to pi R L plus pi R square. Example number 1. Find the surface area and lateral area of a regular square pyramid with base H, length 5 cm, and slant height, apotheme, is 9 cm. So the lateral area, the rule is 1 out of 2 multiplied by the perimeter multiplied by the apotheme, slant height. So we have 1 out of 2 multiplied by the perimeter of the base is 4 times 5, because the length of the H is 5 and the base of the pyramid is square, so square has 4 sides, so you have to multiply 4 by 5 for the perimeter, and then multiply by the slant height is 9. So 4 times 5 is 20, multiply by 9, multiply by 1 out of 2, and then when we multiply these numbers we will get 90 centimeter square. After that, the surface area equal to 1 out of 2 multiplied by P L plus the area of the base. So this is the lateral area is 90 plus the area of the base. So we have the length of each side is 5 multiplied by 5, because the base is square. So 5 times 5 equal to 25. 90 plus 25 equal to 115 centimeter square. After that, you have this example. We have this pyramid. You have to find the surface area and lateral area for this. pyramids. So first I'm gonna start from lateral area. Lateral area, the rule is 1 out of 2 multiplied by P multiplied by L. First we need to the perimeter of the base. So the perimeter of the base is square, so equal to 4 multiplied by the length of the side is 6. 4 times 6 equal to 24. After that we need to find the slant height. So let the slant height is x. After that, in this triangle, uh, small leg, the large leg is 6, so small leg 6 divided by 2 is 3, and the large leg is 4, because the small leg, the base is divided by 2, so the length of the base for each side of the square is 6, so 6 divided by 2 will be the small leg, and then large leg is 4. After that we have to use the Pythagorean theorem, the apotheme slant height x square equal to small leg is 3 square plus large leg is 4 square. So x square equal to 3 times 3 is 9 plus 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 9 times 9 plus 16 equal to 25. So the slant height equal to, or x square equal to 25. You have to take the square for both sides. X is equal to 5. After that, lateral area equal to 1 out of 2 multiplied by the perimeter of the base is 24 multiplied by the height is 5, and then the product is 60. So the lateral area is 60 centimeters square. After that, the surface area equal to 1 out of 2 multiplied by P multiplied by L, and then plus B. So we need to find the area of the base. Area of the base is square, for square, side square. The rule for square is side square. So we have 6 square equal to 36. So surface area is a lateral area. Lateral area is 60 plus the area of the base 36 equal to 96 meter square. After that, you have to find the surface area and lateral area for this pyramid. So the lateral area equal to 1 out of 2 multiplied by perimeter of the base multiplied by L. So we have to find the slant height. So 25 square, this is the apotheme for the triangle. 25 square equal to, and then we have to divide the length of this side for the small leg. So 40 divided by 2 equal to 20. So small leg is 20. So you have to write 20 square plus the slant height square. After that, the slant height equal to square equal to 225. You have to take the square for both sides, so L equal to 15. After that, you need to the base of the perimeter of the base. The perimeter of the base equal to 3 times 40, because the base is triangular. 3 times 14 equal to 120. Now lateral area equal to 1 out of 2 multiplied by the perimeter of the base is 120 multiplied by the height is 15. So the product is 900 centimeter square. After that, the surface area equal to the lateral area plus the area of the base. So we need to to find the area of the base. So the area of the base, the rule for the area of the base is root 3. You have to use this rule, root 3 multiplied by side square out of 4. We have to use this rule for a triangular prism. So we have root 3 multiplied by side is 40 square out of 4. So the answer is 400 root 3 and approximately equal to 692.8. Now the lateral area is 900 plus the area of the base is 692.8. The sum is 1592.8 centimeter square. After that, we have to find the surface area and lateral area for this regular cone. So the rule for lateral area equal to pi r L. So first we need to find the slant height by the Pythagorean theorem. So L square equal to the short legs 5 plus 5 square plus long legs 12 square. So L square equal to 25 plus 144. So the slant height is 169. We have to take the square for both sides, so the slant height equal to 13. After that, lateral area equal to pi multiplied by radius is 5 multiplied by L is 13. So the lateral area equal to 65 pi meter square. After that, the surface area equal to the lateral area plus the base area of the base. So the lateral area is 65 pi plus area of the base. Base is circle, so the rule for circle is pi r square. So you have 65 pi plus the pi r is 5 square. So you have 65 pi plus pi multiplied by 25 equal to 90 pi meter square. After that, you have this example. You have to find the surface area and lateral area for this right cone. So the rule is lateral area equal to pi RL, and then we have a diameter instead of radius, so you have to divide the diameter by 2 and we will get the radius. 23 divided by 2 equal to 11.5 equal to R. So the radius is 11.5. So the lateral area equal to pi multiplied by the radius is 11.5, and then multiplied by the slant height is 23, and then we multiply all numbers, we will get 264.5 pi centimeter square. After that, the surface area, the rule is the lateral area plus the area of the base. The base is a circle, so the rule for the area of the circle is pi r square. So the lateral area is 264.5 plus we have pi, and then plus pi multiplied by the radius is 11.5 square. After that, 11.5 equal to 11 and 5 out of 10, and then we can write as a fraction 11 times 10 equal to 110 plus 5 equal to 115 out of 10 square multiplied by pi plus 264.5 pi. After that, when we simplify, equal to 23 out of 2, when we multiply divided by 5 plus 264.5 pi. After that, the sum of these two terms equal to 396.75 pi centimeter square. After that, you have to find the area and lateral area, or surface area and lateral area for this right cone. So the lateral area, the rule is pi r l. So you have to find the slant height L, and short leg for this triangle is 25 divided by 2 equal to 12.5, and long leg is 35. So slant height L square equal to 12.5 short leg square plus long leg 35 square. So the slant height square equal to 1381.25. You have to take the square root for both sides, so L equal to 37.16,517. After that, the lateral area equal to pi multiplied by the radius is 12.5 multiplied by L is 37.16,517, and the product is approximately equal to 465 pi meter square. After that, the surface area is the lateral area plus the area of the base. The area of the base is a circle, so rule for circle is pi multiplied by radius square. Radius is 12.5 square. So the sum of these two terms is equal to 621.25 pi meter square. In the second part of this lesson, I will teach you how to find the volume for a pyramid and cone. For both shape, you have the same rule for finding the volume. The volume for a pyramid, V equal to 1 out of 3 multiplied by the base of the area multiplied by the height, and the volume for a cone, V equal to 1 out of 3 the area of the base multiplied by the height. In this example, we have to find the volume, the trapezoidal pyramid. This is the trapezoidal pyramid with MC equal to 10 centimeter. MC equal to 10 centimeter and HB is 9 centimeter or 9 meter. And then DC is 18 meter, and the height of the trapezoid is 6 centimeter. We have to find the volume of the pyramid. First, we have to find the area of the base. The area of the base is a trapezoid, so you have to find the area for the trapezoid. So area of the trapezoid, the trapezoid is B C D H. So the area for trapezoid, the rule is 1 out of 2 times height, or we can add base 1 plus base 2, HB plus CD multiplied by the XY multiplied by the height is XY. So we have 1 out of 2 multiplied by HB is 9 and CD is 18 and XY is 6 multiplied by 6. So when we multiply this all number together, we will get 81 meters square. After that, the volume is 1 out of 3 multiplied by the area of the base multiplied by the height. So 1 out of 3 multiplied by the area of the base is 81, and the height is 10 meter. So the product is 270 meter cube or cubic meter. After that, in this example, you have to find the volume for this pyramid. So the rule for volume is 1 out of 3 multiplied by base, area of the base multiplied by height. Area of the base is triangle, so area for triangle equal to 1 out of 2 times base of the circle base of the triangle times height of the triangle. So 1 out of 2 times the base of the triangle is 12 and the height is 5. When we multiply these all numbers, we will get 30. So volume equal to 1 out of 3 multiplied by the area of the base is 30 multiplied by the height of this pyramid is 9. When we will multiply these all numbers together, we will get 90 meter cube. After that, another example, you have to find the volume for this pyramid. So the volume rule is 1 out of 3 multiplied by the area of the base multiplied by the height. So the area of the base is a triangle, so we have to multiply 1 out of 3 by the base is rectangle, so you have to use the rule for rectangle. The rule for rectangle's length times width, 6 times 8. You have to write 6 times 8 instead of the area for the base, and then multiply by the height by 10. So 6 times 8 equal to 48 multiplied by 10 equal to 480, and then 1 times 480 equal to 480 divided by 3 equal to 160 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. After that, in this example, you have composite figure. You have to find the volume for this composite figure. First, the volume for the cylinder equal to, the rule is pi r square h, because the base is circle, so the area of the base is pi r square multiplied by height. So we have pi multiplied by the radius is 24 divided by 2 equal to 12 equal to the radius, because the diameter is equal to 24. So the radius is 12 square multiplied by the height is 20. When we multiply, the product is 2880 centimeter cubic centimeter. After that, the volume for cone, the rule is 1 out of 3 times base times height. So we have 1 out of 3 times the base is the circle, so the area for the circle is pi r square multiplied by h. So you have 1 out of 3 multiplied by pi multiplied by r is 12 square multiplied by height is 20. So the height of this shape is 50 centimeter, but the height of the cylinder apart is equal to 20. So the height of the cone, 50 minus 20 equal to 30. So the height is 30. When we multiply the numbers, we will get the product is 1440 pi cubic centimeter. So the volume for the composite figure, for both figure, we have to add the volume for the cone and the volume for the cylinder. So you have to add 2880 with the volume for the cone 1140 pi, and we have 2280 pi. So the sum is approximately equal to 13,560 centimeter cube. After that, you have this composite figure. You have to find the volume. So we have two pyramids. This is the first pyramid and this is the second pyramid. And then we have the rectangular prism for the base. So you have three different shapes. You have to find the volume for each. So volume for the first pyramid, this is volume 1. The rule is 1 out of 3 multiplied by the base of the area. Area is a rectangle. 2 times half of this 10, 2 times 5, because this rectangular prism is divided by 2 for this 2 pyramid. So you have to write 5 times 5 multiplied by the height is 3. So the product is 25 centimeter cube. After that, for the second volume for the second shape is equal to 1 out of 3 multiplied by, again we have 5 times 5 times 3, so we have 25 centimeter cube. And then the volume for the top for this 2 pyramids equal to 25 plus 25 equal to 50 meter cube. After that, you have to find the volume for the rectangular prism. The volume for the rectangular prism equal to length times width times height. The length for the rectangular prism is 5, and the height for the rectangular prism is 10. Sorry, the length is 5, the width is 10, and the height is 2. So 5 times 10 is 50 times 2 equal to 100 cubic meter. So the volume for total shape, total figure, equal to the volume for this 2 pyramid is 50 plus the volume for the rectangular prism is 100. 50 plus 100 equal to 150 cubic meter. After that, you have this composite figure. You have to find the volume for this composite figure. So we have cylinder and cone. First, the volume for cylinder. The rule is pi r square h. Pi r square is the area for the base. The base is circle, so the area for the base is pi r square multiplied by h. So pi is 3.14 multiplied by the radius is 6 square multiplied by the height is 10. So we have to multiply the numbers all together. We will get the product 1130.4 meter cube. After that, the volume for cone, the rule is 1 out of 3 multiplied by base multiplied by height. Base is circle, so the area for the base equal to pi r square. So we have 3.14 multiplied by 6 square equal to 113.04. After that, the volume for cone equal to 1 out of 3 multiplied by the area of the base is 113.04 multiplied by the height is 10. So the product is 376.8. After that, the volume for both figure equal to the volume for the cylinder or the volume for the cone 1130.4. we have to subtract because these two figures inside each other, minus the volume for the cylinder is 370, sorry, for the cone is 376.8, and the difference is equal to 753.6 meter cubed or cubic meter. After that, we have another example. You have to find the surface area for this composite figure. So you have small cone and we have a big cone. First, you have to find the surface area for the small cone. So this is small cone. We need to find the lateral area first. The lateral area for the cone is pi RL. So you have to find the slant height. So the slant height square equal to short leg is 6 square plus long leg is 8 square. So 36 plus 64 equal to 100. You have to take the square root for both sides, so L equal to 10. After that, lateral area equal to pi 3.14 multiplied by radius is 6, L is 10, so the product is 188.4 meter square. After that, the surface area equal to the lateral area plus pi r square, because the base is circle. So lateral area is 188.4 plus pi is 3.14, radius is 6 square. So the product is 96 pi. After that, for big cone, first you have to find the slant height. So L square equal to small leg square 10 square plus long leg square. Long leg square is 24. So L equal to 26. After that, lateral area equal to 3.14 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 26. So the product is 816.4 meters square. After that, surface area equal to the lateral area 816.4 plus the area of the base 100. 10 times 10 is 100 multiplied by, because the radius is 10. After that, the sum is equal to 360 pi meter square. After that, the surface area for both shape equal to small cone. The surface area for the small cone is 96 pi plus the surface area for the big cone is 360 pi. So the sum is 456 pi meter square.